Okay guys, you remembered I had a Goldwing? Well, I don't like driving pigs, so I got rid of it. I got me a 2005 R1200GS, and so far as riding, I love the fact that I really like the fact that it's half the weight of the Goldwing, and it rides every bit as good as it does now that I've reset the suspension to my specifications, and it's my weight, not the other guys. But something I've noticed about these Beamers is that nobody ever throws any color at them, and they never decorate them or make them look pretty. And I've seen this pattern on eBay, and I thought, well, I'll just give it a try. And it's stretch wrap, and it worked good it's easy on the panniers. And you can see in the corners of the panniers I put reflective tape, so that way, the first one I did completely just one piece all the way around, and it was tough. And the second one I cut it up into 3 pieces, and then that way where they come together I put that reflective tape. The piece that's on the tank was easy, and that bottom piece was easy. This piece that covers the front part of the tank is horrible because it's got so many curves and convexes in it. And I ended up doing multiple pieces on it, and if you cut in certain places, you can make it look seamless. Now, I don't want to get too close because you'll see bubbles and wrinkles and stuff, but it's the cheap Chinese version of the stretch wrap. And I've heard that the good wrap is easier to work with, but I don't know. Anyhow, come with the stock boxes, panniers, and I got the other one out in the shop. I just added a tire pressure monitoring system right there, and it's got a built-in compass, and I just got that on today. I got my they're called bar risers, but I use them to pull back because I needed these handlebars to be back further. And got my Zumo mount there. I put this adventure frame on there, and I'm going to get a bigger screen. This one, guys, never get one that's got these angles in here or this lip on top, because it distorts. Look at me, look how I'm going through that, and it distorts your vision. Any windshield that distorts your vision, see how it distorts that vision? You don't need a windshield that's distorting your vision. And that's why I don't like that windshield. That's off the Adventure. But having this up here adds extra bracing to that. It keeps that wind from knocking it over. Anyhow, yeah, this is the one. Hold on a second. Come on. Okay, now right there, this is the one I did the tailpipe extension today. While I was trying to tune this up, I noticed that there was some exhaust coming out, so I ended up taking some high-end silicone and sealing around that. This worked out pretty good. I got a hole below the pannier weight, so you can see the exhaust that's on that right there. And that's a good reason to do a modification like that. That's a 3-inch muffler extension with the swagged in. I just crushed this in a vise and made it oval. I slipped over that. That's a piece of angle iron welded. I bent that back a little bit, and a 1/4 20 7/16 nut and bolt. Stainless steel with a lock nut on it. So, and down there you can see the tire pressure. It's marked for rear wheel. There's a little lock nut that holds it in place. You guys might want to look at that. I had that brake on a ride. That's your vacuum port when you use to synchronize your throttle bodies. And this is a silicone one. And I broke one. This broke, and I didn't know it because it was on the other side. Went on a couple of rides, and it was really running bad, and that's what took care of it. But for now, she's going to sit out here under a cover because I got to get a clutch and a transmission for it. I was going over to John's house to go on a ride and heard a clunk, a light clunk, and the rear tire locked up, and I started shifting down and it chirped in every tire, and I pulled into a driveway to get off the road, and the clutch would work there for a while, but now today I tried the clutch, even the clutch in neutral won't work. So it's got to be a clutch and or a transmission problem, which still means the bike can be taken apart right here in the middle, and so that back's got to come off and the front go forward and disconnect the transmission and all that crap. So right now I am just like SOL on riding. But in that piece right there, I want you to look at that reflective tape that I put around that piece in certain areas. It kind of helps hide some seams, but it also adds some safety for night rides. But anyhow, that's my bike. It's down for now, so I'll get it going eventually. Catch you guys later.